Today we're looking at part number SP-3.5. This is your spring pad perch for your 8,000 pound trailer axles with 3.5-inch round tube. So this piece right here is the piece that you would weld onto your axle for your springs to sit on. So say this pin is your axle, you're going to weld these on in place of wherever you want your springs to sit. And then your springs are going to sit right on here. And the springs, you know how the leaf springs have the little bolt that goes through, the bolt goes right here, and the springs sit like this. So you got your axle, then you got your springs that sit on top. And it's made to where it fits that 3.5-inch tube. So you just set that on there, tack weld it or fully weld it, whatever you prefer, and then put your springs on, and you're good to go. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, and I'll tell you how big they are real quick. They're gonna be 4 inches, and the height on them is going to be 1 3/8 inch tall. And there you have it, trailerpartsunlimited.com.